Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a custom route in Google Maps. This is incredibly useful when you want to plan a trip with specific stops, avoid certain roads, or take a more scenic route instead of the default fastest path. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to google.com/maps. Once the page loads, you'll see a search bar on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll start building your route. Go ahead and search for your destination. For this example, let's type in New York. Hit enter and Google Maps will zoom in and show you the location. Now, just below the search bar, you'll notice a blue button labeled Directions. Click on it. This will open up the routing interface where you can customize your entire journey. On the left panel, you'll now see a field that says Choose Starting Point. Type in your starting location. For this tutorial, we'll use Cleveland. Press enter or select it from the suggestions that appear. Give Google Maps a moment to process and calculate the route between Cleveland and New York. You'll see the map update with a blue line showing the suggested path, along with estimated travel time and distance. This is your default route, but we're about to customize it. On the left side, look for an option labeled Options and click on it. This menu gives you control over how your route is calculated. You'll see a section called Avoid, which lets you choose what types of roads or features you want to exclude from your journey. You can select highways, tolls, or ferries by simply clicking on them. For example, if you want a more relaxed drive without toll booths, just click on Tolls and the route will automatically recalculate to avoid them. Right below that, you'll see distance units. Here you can choose between automatic, miles, or kilometers depending on your preference. Select whichever works best for you. Now let's say you want to add a stop along the way. At the top of the Directions panel, you'll see a button that says Add Destination. Click on it. You can either type in a specific location like a restaurant or landmark, or you can click directly on the map where you want to stop. Google Maps will instantly add that location to your route and adjust the path accordingly. Here's where it gets really flexible. Along your route on the map, you'll notice small white dots. These are drag points. Hover your mouse over any of these dots, click and hold, then drag it to a different road or area. Google Maps will automatically adjust your route to follow the path you've drawn. This is perfect for when you want to take a specific road or avoid an area that the default route doesn't account for. If the adjustment doesn't make sense for the route, it simply won't apply. And that's it. You've now created a fully customized route in Google Maps tailored exactly to your preferences. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.